getting mad? It's down.
I'm just so G for you. Maybe I'm just so street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me. I can even go to sleep while rolling on the beam. They try to give me a
What is up, MJ TV gang squad, or whatever y'all want to become? So today, me and Jada is about to do the handcuffing prank on Messiah. So let me tell you, we got these handcuffs right here, and these ain't no ordinary handcuffs. These handcuffs is cuckoo. These handcuffs do whatever they want to. When you lock one side up, it gets jammed when you do it tight. So it don't open with these only one side. The side that get jammed is when it's on and it's real tight. So that's the one I'm gonna put on Messiah's. And we finna do this handcuffing prank. Some people may call it a prank, some people call it a challenge, the 24-hour challenge, but I'm doing a handcuff prank. So we don't have no keys for these. You just have to wait it out to unlock it. But sometimes when it get jammed and it come loose, like you gotta wiggle it a little bit. She know how to do it. So hopefully she don't remember how to do it and it just be stuck, like it won't come loose. So right now I don't know where she at. I don't know if she still in the kitchen or if she outside, but we finna go see where she at. I don't know if I want to pretend like this is a vlog because we're not doing anything today, so I don't know. Oh, and guys, if you haven't, excuse me, if you haven't not already watched our trip vlog, it's short. It's like 3 minutes long. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have made it longer, but yeah, it's like, ouch, it's like 3 minutes long. So yeah, make sure y'all go watch that if y'all haven't. It won't take up nothing but 3 minutes and like 6 or 7 seconds, maybe longer, of your time. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know down below. Y'all know I'm coming back with the pranks. You already know we've been gone for a while. I'm coming back. Messiah, get ready, because I'm coming for you. Come on, Jada. Stop playing in dirt. Okay, y'all, I gotta hide the freaking things. Hold on. Here, hold it. Okay. Messiah. Daddy, come see what kind of chicken you want. Okay. What? This is out for me. Stop! Oh, you be doing too much. Julian, get this out for me. It's jammed. Stop! Why you getting mad? It's jammed. You understand? Get this out for me. Give me my teeth. Ow! Messiah, stop! Oh my God, she put me dead in my titty. And y'all look ugly, dumb self. Messiah. Dang, big dummy. Oh, she punched me in my titty, yo. That's why I ain't fixing you nothing to eat. Big dumb sickle. I gotta go do my outro. Oh my God, my breast hurt. Oh, it hurts so bad. Woo! She punched me dead in my titty like I'm a nigga or something. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment and make sure y'all subscribe and click that bell to be notified every time we post. And like I said at the beginning, if you haven't already, go and watch the vlog because it's only 3 minutes long and it is lit, but like it's all right. So shut up, it's just me. But yeah, y'all, Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe and click that bell. And make sure you follow us on our social medias. That'll be at the end of this video. And I think at the beginning. And stay on the lookout for a new intro, you guys. We're coming up with a new intro. Y'all already know what it is. Intro about to be lit. But yeah, I'm out, y'all.
I ain't going outside today.